Hey guys, Danny Johnson here, back with another luxury home walkthrough. And just as beautiful as these homes are, look at this beautiful scenery out here. This is in Hurricane, Utah, near Sand Hollow Reservoir. There are these beautiful rock formations, golf courses, and the more you look, the better it gets. You have beautiful mountain ranges in the background, and you see so many different colors. So this is a very beautiful area that complements these beautiful homes. The one that we're visiting today is out in Copper Rock. And there was another home out here, so check the video description. You can see one of the other homes that we did here. And it is just breathtaking out here. This is the home here. It has a modern look to it. This home comes in at $2.4 million. It's 3,286 square feet, 5 bedrooms, 5.5 bath. It's all on one floor and it has a 3-car garage. And this is in a golf course community. One thing that I thought would be a little difficult is this driveway with such a big slope. I think you might get hung up a little bit here, especially on the side. There was parking for a trailer, but getting it up that driveway might be difficult. But I really liked the front door on this home. Look at the different design. It's an iron door with glass, and it was really tall. When you walk in, you have a big ceiling, but I really love some of the smaller touches in this home. This is probably one of my favorites, is look at the way that they cut the wood into the tile pattern for this transition. Usually you just have a line where one floor ends and the other begins. So it's just these small kind of details that you might see in one home over another. You won't see them all in one house, so it's good to take note and compile them. And so that's why we're making these videos, so you can see all the different designs as we walk through all these homes. So right off the entryway, we have our first bedroom, and it's a very good size, and I like the 3 windows look. Dual doors on the closet, which make it really easy to get into here, and a beautiful view out of the front. The tile was very nice in this one, as well as the counter, and the shower as well, green tile, and a different white tile, so I like how they did that. The living room is very wide open, spacious, very tall ceilings. Very nice fireplace here with some floating shelves off to the left. And going from the living room, we have the kitchen right next door with a large island. And check out these pendant lights. These looked really cool. And they had a very fun design that tapered down all the way up because these are tall ceilings. And I love the big windows along the whole ceiling of this home that let in a lot of extra light. Really nice sized island there, and a big formal dining room area with a very long table, fun chandelier above that. Big windows looking out the back into the backyard. And that big covered awning will be helpful when it gets really hot. Fun little pool with a walk down fireplace we'll show you in a minute. And I thought this was cool how this big mirror in this room matched the counter. So that was a nice touch there. You have a hidden pantry here, so it looks like cabinets, but when you push it, you walk into a good sized pantry here with some nice countertops and floating shelves. And this is the master bedroom. It actually confused me a little bit. It had an outside door to the back, but it was small enough I thought it might just be another room in the home. Even the counter inside is just a single vanity one. Very nice quality, beautiful look to it, and I loved the floor in here. This penny tile actually looks like pennies, and so I like the design colors that they used here, and the tile in the shower with its design too. So it was beautiful, but it came across to me as just another bedroom, and later I didn't find the master because that was it. Coming in here, we have a large sleeping area with some bunks, so this is great for grandchildren or other visitors, and I really like the lighting that they used in the bathroom too. I thought it had a cool look to it. This one has the double sinks vanity. It's almost like this one should have been the master. Inside you have a stacker for your washer and dryer, so that's a great place to have this if you have a lot of visitors, and a shower. So with kids sometimes it's better to have a tub, but this is a high-end shower and beautifully done on the tile work. I really like that. I'm not sure about the tile in this room, how much I like that one or not, but that's just my preference. And here's another look at these bunks, and what you notice is even the top one, you have enough room to stand up and not hit the ceiling if you're a small child, so they did a great job on that. Inside you have your own little heating and cooling unit too, which was cool. Here's that transition going into the laundry room that I love so much. And so the laundry room is right off of the garage. And then there's just another bathroom in the hallway here just for visitors. So this is just the sink and the toilet. But I like the mirrors in here with the nice black frame outline and more of the same lighting fixture, which was really neat. Big sliding barn doors for that room as well. Now we come into another room off to the back. And this one had a really nice view out of the back, and that's the side parking right there. A nice sized closet here, but this was nice to have its own bathroom for this room. But it was just like the other master. Same nice lighting fixtures here. So in a way, I'm not sure which one was the master. They were pretty much the same size. So going into another room here, just about the same as the other room. So you have the same layout, a nice window looking out of the back. And the views out here, I believe, are just part of the home experience. And I think that's a huge thing to consider, is what it looks like outside the home just as much as inside. And the counters of the home, everything matched the mountain range. Inside this room, it had a very nice tile floor and shower, a nice countertop here, another single vanity one. This one's even bigger than the master, so maybe this one would be your master. Just depends on which room you would pick, I guess. It had a toilet in here with a nice counter next to it and some floating shelves, so that was a nice touch for a toilet area. Out on the back patio, plenty of shaded area for when it gets hot, and a small, more of a hot tub here. A fire feature here off to the side and some steps that go down into the fire pit, so that's fun to go down into that same level. You can sit inside or outside the spa and enjoy, talking with people at the same level, so I think that's really cool. Had some AstroTurf here and the back entrance to that other master, as we'll call it. So it had enough little play area here. And right here was a really cool little miniature bowling alley. So if you look at it, it had really smaller balls here, and it was like a mini bowling alley. So that's really all you need. You don't need a full length one. And this was really nice how it had a glass encasing the whole thing. Just don't hit any windows when you're bowling in there. But again, really love that transition floor, and the garage in here was pretty normal. So thanks for watching. Hopefully you found some features that you really liked and you might incorporate in your own home someday. And as always, thanks for watching. Check the video description for more videos I have like this. And if you're new to the channel, feel free to subscribe. Thanks, guys.